Little doggy walking around. That's Benny the boy. So mostly it's all wet snow. So we're getting to sleep right now. But our beam's looking beautiful today. Hold on a second. And it's looking good. So it looks like everything looking good on our beam. She's looking okay. And our Maco5000, she is doing okay, but we haven't got the ice yet. Still dripping on our faces. Looking okay. And mostly that's all little snow dust now. We're just getting a little stuff like this. That's what we're getting right now. So that's all we just got right now in the last couple hours. And that is what the update's happening around 4 o'clock this afternoon. So almost 4 o'clock. So we've been watching that Ryan Y'all on YouTube. So they don't hype you on the weather channel like they do every time. And you guys don't understand, they all hype on the weather stations. You guys know that. They all get hyped up. But I think we're going to be okay. But we'll have to see what happens tonight or tomorrow. But they're saying some of the rain is going to wash out the ice and stuff off. We don't know. It's actually cold outside. But I can give you guys a temperature right now. Pretty good. And let me show you guys what it looks like on the Maco5000. You guys can see, but she's looking okay, but the ice hasn't hit till tonight or tomorrow. And our lines are looking good, so there's nothing on the lines or nothing like that. You guys can see, but they're worried about the ice is going to collapse everything. So also it's all turned to crap, but we're not getting like what Memphis, Tennessee, and Nashville's getting. So we're kind of different. It's all different. And still have that generator, guys, you know about. And we still have it ready to go. And I'll tell you today we had to do. We had to fill up about 18 gallons each for 2 bins of water in the shower today. And 1 large trash can, but it's clean. It's not. We got it all brand new. So I think we have almost like 40 gallons of water in case we want to use it for cooking stuff, washing things, and stuff like that. And this dog eats a lot of sticks. He'll be alright. He'll stay it out. And I'll show you guys in a second. And that's what the ground looks like right now. It's barely touching. And I don't know, like, you guys know how they do. Maybe they're just trying to hype the storms up or nothing. But maybe the radars are AI or non-AI. But who works at the National Weather Service these days? You guys need to check your stuff on that, because I don't think we might get some more ice. I don't know. But we got this thing sealed here. I did that today. And we're going to go look at our temperature report right now. So we got this thing covered up. I got these in. That's the only gas cans I have right now. This thing's in there. Let's get us the temperature report outside. The horse is looking good, but I'm not going to be on the radio for the next few days until we get back on. And the temperature right now is 34 degrees outside. Last night it was in 45, but the minimum was 31 degrees this morning. It was down 33 this morning, but most of that's what we're getting. But just want to let you guys know the beam's looking okay. Let me give you guys a look at it. That's our beam looking at right now. So you're getting a good glimpse of how she looks like right now. We don't see anything on the beam. And there's our trees, what it looks like right now. And all that snow's down there. That's what it looked like in our area. Line's looking beautiful. And chicken's looking good. It's not hardly that much snow on that. But that's what we're getting right now on the trees. And the ice hasn't hit here yet, but we'll have to find out tonight or tomorrow. But mostly that's what we got, light snow. Very light snow on everything. It's all this wet and nasty snow stuff. And it's not a big snow maker. Not a huge snow maker. So the beam antenna is looking beautiful, guys. You can see how good shape it is. And she's rock and roll. But we'll have to wait till the next few days. And we got that line here. You guys see that mill tape line? You know the tree land on this the last time here and pulled this way. You never, the bent pipe hole on the top of that thing. That's what happened the last time. It's still connected to that thing down there. It's got 4 ropes on it, guys. You see like 6 ropes, or 4 or 5 ropes. So she's looking beautiful, guys. You can see the beam antenna looking good. And you can see the Kimberlin Plateau out there, all cloudy right now. So that's what it's looking like right now on the beam antenna. So the Maco's looking good. So I just want to let you guys know that. So I gave you a little bit report on the thing. Let's go look under the Maco5000 for a second. So I'll put this down. Yeah, guys, we're going to take you to the Maco5000. We're going to look underneath it, see what it looks like. The last time when it snowed 3 years ago, that's before I got the beam antenna, the snow didn't even touch up all the way to the ring. So we're looking at stuff, the sleet getting down right now, but it's not hurting. So I probably won't be out here too long, but my mom does not want to be on the radio today, or doesn't want me on the back porch because it's cold out there, but it's at 45 degrees on the porch. And I took the heaters inside. You guys will see that in a second. Let's take a look at our ring. Gives an update on the ring. She's looking good. You guys can see it. That's why I want to give you guys a glimpse. That's the Maco5000. Maco5000. She's looking good. And she's looking great. We'll just give you a little report on it. And you see the other part. You guys know what I did the other day with that. So she's looking alright, and that's what she does. And there's our beam antenna, but it's at 310 degrees. I did set it up yesterday. Like when you do it every time when you get done with your do your DX on it. I always, when I set it back to 310 every time, I swing back to 0 degrees north. Then I take it back to 310. Then I take it back after that to 360 degrees, and that's their north. And that's actually once you don't have to calibrate that, put it back to 310. Be good. You might have to calibrate once in a while, but not all the time. So the beam's looking beautiful today, guys. You can see it, and she's looking good. So UDX362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Have a great day. We got to get out of this weather, and we'll just show you the condition up report around 4 o'clock this afternoon, January 26, 2020, January 24, 2026. What it is, or day it is. It's the first day of the ice snowstorm starting, and I don't think we can get that much. My next door neighbor, the French guy, he does not have a generator, which he does not. My mom checked him out yesterday. He does not have a generator. Mostly have a big fireplace there, but they have garages where they put their cars and stuff in it, but their cars are still out there in this weather. So let's hope the people were telling me the truth when I went to the store yesterday at Ace. The guy was telling me they don't think they're going to get much an ice event or something. And some people told me on the trucker channel, one guy told me the other day, he thinks it's all, you know what, stuff and all that. But yeah, but we'll see if it's true, but we'll see. But it's getting a lot of colder. But the next 2 hours we're going to find out when it get rain, and the ice we have to worry about. But some people think the rain's going to wash all the sleet ice away. But the channel we're following on YouTube, Ryan Hall, y'all, the guy with the weatherman with the glasses in Kentucky. So we're watching it in the last couple hours and checking it all out. So we don't, because sometimes those local things, you guys know the whole thing. Sometimes they hype up the storm, sometimes they don't. So we don't want to hype up the storm. We want to see what's really going on in the world. But some other parts of the world are not looking good in the United States on the snow to the west of us. But we'll see what happens in the next couple hours. And she's doing good. And a good thing we paint these black and we have these things on here. Our tree's looking beautiful right now. So that's our Bradford tree. You guys know that. And that's what most of the forest is looking like, all the trees in there. So you guys have a good day. UDX362. And let me see. Oh, look. We got some icicles. Hold on a second. We got some little ice here. Let me show you in a second before we go. See our little ice up there? We got little icicles up there. I finally discovered something. We're starting to have a little ice on it way up there. You guys see it up there? Those little white things? We're starting to have some icicles on the lines. Not much, but we have a little icicles right there. I think we need to get out of here soon, but I'll show you in a second. And yeah, I'll show you in a second. We got some icicles. There we go. Now I'm seeing those kind of things in Utah. Let's hope they don't break off the lines, but That's usually normal icicle. So we got ice on the wires. So that's what they look like. Little ice. It's on the beam on the that's on the antenna true wire. Yeah, it's actually on the antenna true wire, not on the beam antenna wire. Yeah, it's on the beam antenna wire where it's at on the beam antenna wire, and the other one is on the tree antenna wire. That's it. And one on the rotor wire. So the ones on the rotor wire is the top middle thing. The top is the beam antenna wire it's on, and it's also on the tree antenna wire. That's the only thing we have. So I hope these things be okay. Maybe we'll shake them off in a second before I get out of here. And I want to tell you, UDX362 Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. And she's looking good. That beam's looking beautiful today. Let's give it a shot at it so we can see it on the side. And I'll give you again a glimpse of it. We'll catch you later. And bring out more videos soon. Oh yeah.